Coleman heat pump. Been hibernating all winter. I didn't use it for heating at all this winter since I have gas here. It needs servicing bad. It's looking pretty old, but hopefully it'll work okay. But it comes right back to life. It's a little cool today, so I'm not going to start it up. One thing that's changed back here, these trees, especially this willow oak up here, it's got it almost to the buildings, grown out so much, and that's got it nice and shady back here for the Coleman heat pump. So that's actually going to help it work a lot better, because it used to be in full sun before this tree got on up here and started growing. So it's got some nice shade back here now. It's been back here for 15 years now, so that tree's gotten a lot bigger in 15 years. Both those trees have. Currently using the old 87 Kenmore for a little bit of cooling I need on days like this. Here's a clip of it running back in February. I've used it all winter. Maintenance day on the Coleman heat pump hillside. Get this thing ready for it. Time to wash it with the old coil gun and vector seal foam coil. Washing on this till I've got all the drains. It's very important that those drains go. I'm just flushing around the bottom of that coil too. I don't want the coil sitting in dirt. Gotta rub the holes in the bottom, make it easy. That's why you clean it out good. Make sure all your drains are working, all the little stuff can run out. Alright, it's all clean and ready for another summer. As soon as everything dries out, I'll do my capacitor check and all that good stuff. Lots better down in there. Alright, everything's dried out. Ready to do some electrical checks on the old unit. The spider will get out of my way. Original contactor on this unit. Probably the third or fourth cap I've had on there though. But I'm going to check it, make sure it's still good before the summer starts. Okay, 30 plus 5, what we're after here. Let's see what we got. Got a 5 on the fan. Now I'll move back to the Herm back there. Looks like we are still good on the old cap. That's plenty good. Almost 30. Almost 30 on the cap, so we're good there. Okay, here we go. First start up in several months. Sounds good. Cold on the line. Check my if I got any voltage drop across this contactor. 246 coming in. Let's see if we got one out. 245.8 going out. That's good. 246. Contactor's still good. I'll let it run a while and we'll do some temp checks. Alright, it's all cleaned up. Everything checks out. If I don't like the temp check, I'll check the charge, but I think it'll be fine. I've been having to add to it on a regular basis. My temp drop is not in range. I'll check it. Got my smart probes in. There's your return. Sitting happily in the pleated media filter. This is one of those filter grill pleated media filters, works really good. Got the other one in the supply up there. Haven't been in there long enough to tell, but it's getting there. Very low load today, so really not a good day to check, but I'll check it when it gets warmer. Just being piston metering, it's not going to show me a good temperature drop on a mild day like this, so I'll wait till it's in the 80s instead of the 70s to get my final judgment of whether I need to check the charge or not.